Friends, let's talk home gyms. Yeah, you heard me right. No more crowded gyms, no more waiting for that guy hogging the bench press. It's time to build your own fitness sanctuary. Imagine this. You wake up feeling the fire. You're ready to crush your workout. But then you remember the gym, the commute, the crowds, the smell. Ugh. With a home gym, you skip all that. You walk into your own personal iron paradise, crank up the music, and get to work. No distractions, just you and the weights. It's liberating, man. Plus, think of all the time you save. No more driving, no more parking nightmares. That's extra time for what matters, lifting heavy things and achieving greatness. So are you ready to ditch the gym and become your own fitness guru? Let's do this. Let's break down why a home gym is a game changer. Convenience. It's like having a 24/7 fitness buffet. Early morning workout? No problem. Late night pump session? You got it. Gym memberships ain't cheap. Over time, a home gym pays for itself. Invest in your health and wallet. Win-win. Customization. Build your dream gym your way. Want a power cage? Go for it. Prefer a Zen yoga space? You do you. Privacy is another big one. Not all of us are comfortable in crowded gyms. At home, blast your music, wear whatever you want. Nobody's judging your form or playlist. It's just you, the iron, and freedom to train your way. Ditch the crowds, embrace the freedom, and build your ultimate home gym. Before we dive into equipment, let's talk goals, baby. What are you trying to achieve? Are you chasing the iron dream, aiming for that lean, mean physique? Or maybe you're all about cardio, pushing your limits, feeling the burn? Maybe flexibility is your jam. You want to bend like Gumby and move with the grace of a ninja. It's all about figuring out what gets you fired up. Once you know your goals, choosing equipment becomes a whole lot easier. Trust me, it's like ordering off a menu. You know what you like, you pick your favorites, and boom, you've got yourself a feast of fitness possibilities. So take some time, reflect on your fitness aspirations, and let's tailor your home gym to help you crush those goals. Remember, this is your journey. Whether you're into powerlifting, yoga, or anything in between, your home gym should be a reflection of your unique fitness personality. All right, now for the fun part, choosing your weapons of mass fitness. Don't worry, we're not talking about anything crazy, just the essentials to get you started. First up, dumbbells. They're versatile and perfect for a wide range of exercises. Kettlebells are great for dynamic movements and full-body workouts. Resistance bands are perfect for adding extra resistance to your exercises. A sturdy bench is essential for a variety of strength training exercises. Jump ropes are fantastic for quick cardio sessions and improving coordination. A foam roller is great for muscle recovery and relieving tension. An exercise ball can help with core stability and balance exercises. Stretching straps are useful for improving flexibility and range of motion. Now, let's not forget about cardio. Choose the equipment you enjoy the most so you're more likely to stick with it. Remember, this is just the starting lineup. Setting the mood, creating your workout oasis. Now let's talk about turning your workout space into a motivating, energizing, and downright awesome environment. We're not just talking about throwing some weights in the corner and calling it a day. This is about creating a sanctuary for your fitness journey. First things first, lighting is key. Natural light is amazing, so if you've got it, flaunt it. If not, no worries. Bright, energizing lights can make all the difference. Next up, music. A killer playlist can make or break a workout. Crank up the tunes that get you pumped up, and let the music fuel your performance. Mirrors, my friends, are your new best friend. They help you check your form, track your progress, and who are we kidding? Admire those gains. And don't forget about the little things. A comfy workout mat, a water bottle to stay hydrated, maybe even a whiteboard to track your workouts and celebrate those personal bests. Budget hacks. Building your dream gym on a dime. Listen, building a home gym doesn't have to break the bank. You don't need all the fancy equipment right off the bat. Start small, prioritize, and be resourceful. Used equipment is your friend. Check out online marketplaces, local classifieds, or even ask around at your local gym. You'd be surprised at the deals you can find. Get creative with your space. A corner of your living room, your garage, even your backyard can be transformed into a killer workout zone. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a home gym. Start with the essentials and gradually add more equipment as your budget allows. The most important thing is to just get started. Don't let budget constraints hold you back from achieving your fitness goals. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can build an amazing home gym without emptying your wallet. Keep it clean, keep it safe, home gym maintenance. All right, we've talked about the fun stuff. Now let's get real for a second. Maintaining your home gym is crucial. A clean and organized gym is a happy and safe gym. First things first, wipe down your equipment after each use. Sweat happens, and that's okay, but nobody wants to work out in a bacteria breeding ground. Keep some disinfectant wipes handy and show your equipment some love. Next, inspect your equipment regularly. Check for any wear and tear, loose screws, or anything that looks out of place. Safety first, my friends. And don't forget about the floors. Protect your floors from sweat, dropped weights, and other gym-related incidents. Rubber mats or interlocking tiles are your best bet. A clean and organized gym is a more inviting gym. So take a few minutes each week to tidy up, put away your equipment, and keep your fitness sanctuary in tip-top shape. You got this, taking the first step towards fitness. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to building your very own home gym. No more excuses, no more waiting around. It's time to take control of your fitness destiny. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Building a home gym is an investment in yourself, your health, and your well-being. It's a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, crush those goals, and let's make those gains. You got this.